So this right here is not a new concept at all. It's been out for a while actually, but when PGYTECH makes a crossbody phone lanyard, you know that I have to try it out. Shout out to PGYTECH through TikTok for sending me one of these to check out. And the thing that caught my eye specifically was that not only you can put your phone on this like little strap thing, but you could also put a small point and shoot camera like the PowerShot V1 or the G7X or the ZV1, because in actuality it just uses this like little quick release system that they have for pretty much all of their straps, and they're interchangeable. So if you have one of these, technically speaking, you could clip on one of these cameras on there. So we're gonna try that out. But this is called the PGYTECH LinkGo. This is the packaging. It looks very, very premium. I'm so sorry it's upside down. Very, very premium. But we're gonna go ahead and unbox this thing right now. Looks like you get some paperwork, some stickers, and the strap itself. Okay, so the first thing that I noticed is that the quick release system for this lanyard is completely different in comparison to the ones for the wrist strap and the neck strap for dedicated video cameras. If you compare this little guy, I have to kind of duck out of the way, but as you can see, they are different sizes. The one for a camera is significantly larger, but I think it still should be doable. My first impressions with the strap, it looks like it's similar material that's made with their neck strap. It is long enough for you to wear a crossbody, as you can see here. It's adjustable, very quick and easy to adjust shorter or longer depending on your length or how long you want it, your preference. Basically, quick release is pretty much the same thing. You press it and it comes out, and then you don't need to press it again. You just need to align it and snap it into place. You've got like little loops on the front here, which will allow you to hang different accessories if you want. It already comes with one. This is a little microfiber cloth. It's very small, but this is all you need, as you can see here. And it's very smart because all you have to do is pull it and it'll retract. So very quick and easy, and this little cover thing keeps everything clean, so you don't get your screen scratched up. But if you have other accessories, for example a labubu, you can clip it on like so, and you got a little labubu hanging from your phone strap. So I would want to tighten mine a little bit more, as you can see here. That's pretty cool. But let's go ahead and get the phone attached to it. So all you would need to do to sort of attach it is just loop it around. There we go, now it's locked. And then you attach this little piece. It does have a logo, but you're not going to be able to see it inside of the case. And you just place it in between the case and the phone, so like right in between, as you can see there. Then you just put the phone on top of that. As you can see, my phone case is a little beat up, but it still works nonetheless. Now we just take out the other quick release ball clip thingy, and boom, you're good to go. It is secured. It is on your body, on your person, whatever you want to call it, and you're chilling. Like, anti-theft. I really want to bring this with me to my Europe trip and see how it goes. You could hang a Lububu on there. Overall, it's pretty interesting. Let's go ahead and really quickly try it on the camera and see how it goes. Oh my gosh. So I sort of got it attached to the camera. It's right here, and I don't know exactly what the weight limit on this thing is, so I don't know if I recommend this, but we're gonna try it out anyways. Let's see. Boom. There it is. It is attached, and we got like a little sling for the camera. Does it hold a PowerShot V1? Yes, it does. How do I feel about it? I don't know. But like, if you really want to like quickly take it up with you to be able to shoot something really quick, and then just quickly, boom, put it down. I could see how it would work in theory, but I think I'm gonna use it for a little bit like this and see how it goes and let you guys know my experience with it. So if you wanna stick around until that happens, I appreciate you for subscribing and liking. That's it for this video. Thanks for listening. I'll see you tomorrow.